Good morning, everyone. It is me, Kat from Cat Mouse Adventures. If you're new to our channel, please click like and subscribe. Today we are going to try Guardians of the Galaxy. So today is our annual Passover preview, and we both were going to go, but I'm on a solo as Rob had to go to work. I know, sad, but I came out anyway to check it out. Hopefully I can take a couple pictures. I don't want to spoil it for anyone, so there won't be no point of view. But just to be here at Epcot, walk around. I'm a little bit early before my time, but I wanted to see if anything has come up. I know the new cafeteria or connections area to eat has opened, so take a look around there and see if any merch for Guardians of the Galaxy as well. So let's head on in. So as we're walking over to Guardians of the Galaxy, this is the new Connections Cafe. And this is where the new location of the Starbucks is. First time in here, very nice. It's a large area. Large seating area with food. And this is the Starbucks area. And I'm assuming that around the other end is where the restaurant is. That's a beautiful mural there on the wall of all the different countries. On the other side is the Guardians of the Galaxy ride, which will be over there in a minute. And then they have this kind of wall here that separates everything. But on the other side, hours of operation between 11 and 9, it says. This is the Connections Cafe for the quick service. And one day we'll come and have some food here and check it out. So out through these doors, which was like the quick through instead of going around, and there's the breezeway where the creation shop is, Connections, and then the Coca-Cola taste testing store over by Test Track. And we're gonna take a look where the entrance is so I can familiarize myself with it, because I am quite early. As you can see, like the spire in the background. They put those trees up there because those trees were not there before that I noticed. And you can see the starship kind of behind that hedge wall there. And we'll figure out where we got to go in a moment. So you can kind of see it back there. That's the entrance to it. And we're going to check in over here shortly. We are early. So we'll take a walk around, see what else we got. So I walked all the way over here to Norway because the wait time for Frozen showed 30 minutes, and I haven't ridden this ride in quite some time. So why not waste some time since I'm here early for Guardians of the Galaxy and ride Frozen.
Come on, let's go and play. You're going to Elsa's Ice Palace. Spencer, I'm going to be so beautiful. See you there. Today, I am sailed to assist you with an unselfish act of true love.
Hey, you're going up to the ice palace, Zelly.
Well, that was fun. So we just went on Frozen and had a small little ride there. Haven't been on that in a while. Still fun as always. And now we got about 30 minutes or so before we head over to Guardians, our time slot. Sitting over here by Mexico. It's a beautiful day here. Yeah, let's go head over there. Have a little seat for a little bit after standing on a long line and ride Guardians. Come on. All right, guys, so we tapped our magic band and we are in. We are heading down to the preview. And look at that ship out in the front there. And we are heading in, and you'll hear my preview when we get out. And that's the back of the ship there. And here we are, getting ready to get scanned again to go in to the ride. So this is exciting. We are now walking through the queue, about to head into the building, got our magic band scanned, and we are ready to ride.
Quite similar, and began at precisely the same moment. We refer to this as time zero, before the existence of anything. Our worlds were born of a single point of matter and energy that blasted outward in what you Terrans refer to as the Big Bang. And from nothing came the beginning of everything. With a cloud of rapidly moving particles. Over the next 100 million years, space continued to expand.
Xandar is also home to the Nova Corps, whose goal is to maintain universal peace and security across the cosmos.
We are also enormously proud that our ocean section
If you look closely at the Star Blaster's design, you might discover that its wings can flare out and form a star shape. In the galaxy.
Welcome, Gamora. Wait, who called me?
Greetings, Terrans. I am Nova Prime Irani Rayan, Commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born of the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang. Which you so easily, were it not for the Cosmic Generator, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts, linking distant points in space. And now, as the culmination of the wonders of Xandar, you will be teleporting to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the Cosmic Generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience.
Epcotians, citizens of Epcot. Does anyone know what they call themselves? As you're about to enter a secure Nova area, I must ask you to put away your Terran communication devices at this time. Recording of any type.
What's happening?
I'm not sure. Our power's out. And the Cosmic Generator...
And call the Guardians. Now!
There's no cause for alarm. Turn off that alarm. I've got an important transmission coming in.
Hey, what's up, Nova Corps?
Our Cosmic Generator has been stolen.
What?
How?
When did we figure that? That thing's gotta be worth a fortune.
I am Groot.
Got two sides. comes the ride vehicle. Looks like a pull down bar. Seats look comfortable, and we're about to head in. Well, what can I say? That was amazing. Disney outdid themselves with this ride. There's so much going on that ride. It was absolutely amazing. All I gotta say is if you are sensitive to flashing lights, that's one of the things in one of the rooms that is a little bit too much. But other than that, reverse launch, sideways. It doesn't go upside down, but the seats are comfortable. Mind-blowing. I loved it. Guardians of the Galaxy, Cosmic Rewind, the best ride at Disney so far. So when it opens up at the end of the month, come see it. It was awesome. So let's head into the creation shop and see what's new. Anything that I can find as far as like Loungefly or ears. Come on in. So I walked into the creation shop and they have this Mickey Mouse, the main attraction series. And this month is series 2. And it's a pirate Mickey. Look at that. And they have the matching ears and bag for it. But look how cute this is. This is $35. And then over here we have the ears. So it's like a pirate hat with the skulls. It's gold and black. And this one is $35 as well. And then let's take a look at the bag. It is a Loungefly. And then look at the gold on the back where it says Pirates of the Caribbean. And this one is $85. Nice leather backpack, black, for the Mickey Mouse main attraction set series 2. Very nice. And this is the other side of Connections Cafe where we had entered and crossed over before. So the Starbucks entrance over here, and this is the Starbucks area, and then on the other side is the restaurant, and to the right is the Guardians of the Galaxy entry, as well as Mission Space. So guys, that'll do it for me here at Epcot today. We got to ride Frozen and the preview for Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind. Maybe another day we'll come back here with Robert and have him check it out when it opens later in the month. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to our channel. We have much more coming in, and maybe we'll see if we'll take a trip over to the Character Warehouse. We'll see you next week, guys. Bye.